Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about HBAR and if it can make you a millionaire. And the bottom line is, well, it probably could, depending on how much you put in, and we'll get into that in a minute. So, as always, we've got a good channel here, so if you could like and subscribe, it'd be brilliant, and keep following for more daily content. HBAR is a fantastic tool. It's an X top 10, it's in the top 50 now. There is so much noise about this, that's what makes it so good. Other coins in the portfolio are way down from their all-time highs, as is this one. It would be an 11x back to its all-time high. But we're not going to go to 56 cents, we're going to go to $1, $2, maybe even 5 at a push. $5 for here is obviously quite easy math, that's 100x, so depending on where we land in the next bull run, depending on the demand for this token, which there is now, it's everywhere. Reddit, YouTube, Google, Facebook, any of the groups you're in, loads of people are holding this. It's turning into quite an easy thing to look at who's holding what and who's talking about things, who's trading things. So for me, ZIL, that's one of the main tokens, or VeChain, they're the two that get traded constantly. Bitcoin's getting held, Ethereum's getting held, arbitrage is getting held. HBAR, definitely getting held and definitely getting spoken about. There's loads of momentum with this token. And once the bull run kicks in, people will be exiting out and other people will definitely be FOMOing in. This is one of the bigger positions we've got in the portfolio, along with Crow or Kronos, Crypto.com, whatever you want to call it today. HBAR, Gala Games, they're going to be fantastic altcoins. They've got the volume, like I keep saying, they've got the momentum, and this is a year before any bull run's going to kick in. So if you've got any doubts about this coin, even going back to its all-time high, that's an 11x. You're not going to get that anywhere else. You're not going to get that in other finance industries, should I say. You're not going to get Coca-Cola spiking 11% and 11x your money in the next 10 years, maybe 11%, but not 11x. So like I said before, I really do think this token would be on the right path to be investing in to get you rich. The volume's another thing. So at today's rate, to get $1 million, we're looking at probably about, I don't know, say $90,000 invested, because, well, if you had 100,000, it's a 10x is your million. So it depends on how much you're investing or how much we go. That's with 11x, that's back to the all-time high. But if it goes to $5, then you're only really looking at about 13,000 invested. That will get you to around about $1 million with an 83x for the 6 cents that they now went to $5. So I hope that's easy, quick math for you to understand. It's ridiculous. If you can get 13 grand invested to go to $5, it has to go to $5 obviously, but it's a fantastic chance. And over the next 12 months, £1,000 a month, that's quite a big ask. But if you've been investing before and you're getting the volume in, then it's not a big ask. You're just topping up your balances like what I'm doing just now. Speaking of that, coming to Friday, I don't know whether to go with HBAR or Crow, and definitely some Gala Games, and I'm going to top up Veracity a little bit more as well. Again, I'm just a modest investor, probably like yourselves. I don't have loads of streams of income. I've got my main job and overtime with it. Excuse me. And what I'm looking to do is try to invest as heavily as I can that money allows, because I've got 2 young kids, a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old. I've got bills like everybody else. I'm speculating to accumulate. I'm putting all this in, hoping that a bull run kicks off next year, towards the end of next year, into the following year, into 2025. And I can exit. I can exit and get out and just put the money in my bank account and walk away laughing, go on a big holiday, a big family holiday, and hopefully have no bills other than my normal bills coming out after that. So back over to Hedera's website. I've showed you this before. They're also, as well as us all having a little chubby about this, there is proper companies invested in this. So if you come down halfway down their webpage, you can see there, I've said before, slap bang in the middle, Google, above it EDF Energy, below it LG. If you're into gaming, Ubisoft, there's loads here, Boeing, and there is Dell, and just to name a few. A couple of banks here as well. Now, if all these companies are invested in this, then you and me are investing into winning companies here as well, indirectly, because if they're really looking at this blockchain and looking at their token and wanting to get involved with it, then clearly there's something about it. It stands out. So as we come down, you'll see again there's LG and other companies that are part of this. So if you come down, there's the what is HBAR bit, but the bottom paragraph is the most important. HBAR is built differently from other blockchains. It has a high throughput with fast finality, low predictable fees. So again, it's low cost. Fair transaction ordering with conscientious timestamps and a robust code base that ensures scalability and reliability at every layer of its network infrastructure. Again, they're going over and above. HBAR is governed responsibly. HBAR is governed responsibly by the world's leading organisations to ensure that the network is collision resistant. So again, all these companies that are invested in this all love this. There is a wallet, I'm sure, as well, and as well as NFTs. There is absolutely loads that this company's got to offer. And for us, all we're looking to do is we're not bothered about this side of things. This is brilliant for us, but we're looking at the side of things that's going to show us that other people are wanting it. So the volume is going to get high, the interest is going to get high, the trading is going to get higher. And from there, we're going to get more coin, more buck for our coin. So, as I've said before, an 11x back to all-time high and potentially a 100x if we hit $5 or well thereabouts. So I think it's more like 85 to 90. If we jump over to coin market cap, again, you can see that in 2020 and 2019 it was relatively low, and then it's catapulted again in 2021 2022. If we hit the Bitcoin, it will more or less mirror it, apart from obviously the great gains in 2019 2020. But the bull run itself, essentially before 2021 into 2022, you can see it double heading, spikes a lot, and it's just a fantastic total. I keep saying this, but it's so cheap. It's under 5 cents now. So even $1, that's a 20x. We're absolutely laughing if we get invested in now. You get £1,000 in that, take 21 grand back or 20 grand back, depending on how it works, or how you look at it. It's going to be ridiculous. We're going to get so much gains at this, and this is a very, very great, very, very high purchased, great coin to have in the portfolio. So that's it for the day. This is HBAR, and it's a coin that I've definitely got in the portfolio, and everybody should be looking into. Like I always say, do your own research. If you like this, if you enjoy crypto, if you want this to be a wee financial journey for you, then get investing, get the volume in, and just enjoy yourselves with it, and have the heart for it to go up and down like mad over the next year. Remember, it's the volume we're looking for the day and for the next year until whenever you exit in the bull market. That's it. It's just volume. The price is just noise. You obviously want to DCA in and keep your prices and costs low. So that's it for the day. Cheers, folks. If you like the video, please consider following, subscribing and leaving a like.